Hey, it's Chris at Deep Sentinel. Today we're going to look at the installation of our range extender, which bridges the Wi-Fi signal between our hub and any far-reaching cameras that might need a little signal boost. The range extender plugs into any plug outlet between the hub and the camera, boosting the signal. Now the first step today is we want to take the camera of the range that we want to extend, and we want to grab our range extender, and we'll get started. Great. So in order to get started, as mentioned, we'll have the camera of the range that we'd like to extend nearby, and we'll have our range extender, which includes a quick start guide and the range extender itself. To get started, we'll open up the Deep Sentinel app. We'll navigate to My Account at the bottom right corner, and then we'll click on Device Manager. On Device Manager at the bottom, select Add New Device. And on that page, select to add a new extender. From there, we'll proceed to plug the extender into a plug outlet. Now, a key consideration is the positioning. You want to find an area about halfway between the hub and the camera, bridging the gap between the two. Once we've found a plug outlet, we'll go ahead and press Next. Now we'll plug that range extender into the wall and wait for that top power LED to turn solid green. It may take a few moments. Once we have power, we'll press Continue, and then we'll go ahead and pair the extender to the hub. Now we do this by holding the WPS button on the side of the extender. This will cause the second LED from the top to blink green. Now we'll wait for that to be solid green as it pairs with the hub. Once paired to the hub, you'll see a success message. Then you'll be able to name the extender. If you're using multiple extenders, we recommend naming it in the area of the house that is applicable. From here, we'll select the camera that we're planning on using the range extender with. In this case, it's our driveway camera. Here, we'll press Disconnect on the camera, and that will disconnect the current camera that you have in front of you from the hub to allow it to reconnect to the range extender. Now we'll bring that camera nearby the extender, and we'll press the WPS button again on the extender. This time, this will initiate the extender to pair with the camera. Now we'll take the camera and press the pairing button on the back. The camera then will search and pair to the extender. Once paired, we'll see a success message within our app and a solid green LED on the range extender. Once we've paired, we'll take that camera back outside and we'll connect it to our mount and readjust the camera's protection zone to make sure it's exactly how we want it. Good luck installing your range extender, and for any other questions, always feel free to reach out to customer care at Deep Sentinel.